Alright, well, the project at hand is to create a bathroom around this kit here. So we got a shower kit here. The dimensions is on it, but never trust the dimensions. Make sure to open up everything, make sure everything is there before you proceed. Because what happens is, if you go based on the dimension here, sometimes that's correct, but glass is missing, the door doesn't work where you want it to work. So let's open up this guy before we start planning this bathroom. Now the idea is to create a bathroom here. So the plan is to put a shower in this corner and then put the toilet over here and try to get a vanity in this area right here, so you can have a light above it and a mirror. So let's open up our shower kit and see what's in there. Well, everything seems to be fine. All the pieces seem to be here. So now that I'm satisfied with the kit, let me show you what we're gonna do. So this is our base, and we're gonna keep it in this corner because the door slides. So the doors are not opening out, so it's fine. So we can put our toilet here and put our vanity here as planned. So now I'm gonna spare you all the boringness of doing the plumbing, and we'll come right back after the plumbing is done. Alright, and just like that, the plumbing is done. I saved you all the boring stuff of pipes being buried. So let me explain what we have. Over on this side, we have our toilet, and in this corner we're gonna have our shower. We have everything roughed in. And over here we're gonna have our vanity. So we went ahead, insulate, put a vapor barrier on. Also went ahead and did the cement. So everything is covered up and ready to go. So now let's install the ceiling fan and we can start drywalling this place. Alright, let's get some drywall done. Well, alright, all the drywall is done. Our electrical is roughed in, our fan is installed. Now before we can install the shower pan, we gotta level our flow. Because right now it's sloping a little bit downwards. About, I would say 1 inch. So let's level our floor and then we can install our shower pan. Well, here we are, our floor is all level. So now let's leave this to dry, come back and install our shower base.